Sentiment analysis has been gaining traction over the last 5 years, but is betting on emotion really the secret to trading success? I'm Monica Gibson and welcome to another edition of Forex Today. So we all know that tech just keeps getting smarter. As such, businesses have had to rethink how they engage customers, structure and operate and leverage platforms to remain competitive, drive growth and achieve their goals. Well, the situation for traders is no different. But how can investors be sure they have all the information they need and avoid the stuff they don't? Innovative news analytic company Acuity Trading entered the market in 2014 in a bid to solve that problem. CEO Andrew Lane joins us today, but what my concern would be is that very often professionals are encouraged to eliminate emotion from their work to get the best and most reliable results. So why do you think sentiment trading could give traders the edge they need? What drove you towards Acuity, Andrew?
Humans have inherent bias as to how they read stories. They want something out of a story always. And so coupled with all this and the infobesity that we have with news, it's just impossible for traders to get what they need from news itself. And so for a long time, hedge fund traders have been using data mine techniques, which is actually called sentiment analysis, news analysis. There's various words around it, to look at large swathes of news and look at it with an unbiased focus.
Very interesting. So using NLP, I understand Acuity Trading looks at how sentences are structured online, how words interact with each other and extract information from those stories. For example, how negative or positive the story is towards an asset class. After all, informed decisions are often the most successful. But Andrew, how does it really work?
Here at Acuity Trading, we look at 26 million news articles every day, and we take out of those news articles what asset classes they're talking about. So let's say there's 10 to 15,000 news articles every day looking at euro dollar. We can then every hour tell you in a flick of a switch what people are feeling towards those news articles. And so what we end up doing is we've turned ourselves into a polling company, a bit like an electioneering polling company, where we go out and ask the investor community, without them knowing that we're actually asking them, what they feel about euro dollar. And we can do that on a daily basis or an hourly basis. And what we have in the end is a chart which shows you how the mood of the investment crowd is feeling towards euro dollar. And what you will find, it can be very predictive if you have the right tools to look at the data.
So viewers, Acuity Trading is essentially a big data company, but it's still relatively young. And Andrew openly admits their industry is densely populated. Also, that recent changes in legislation have resulted in bigger companies chewing up smaller companies, especially in the US, which leaves less potential buyers of Acuity Trading data. However, not one to be put off, Andrew tells me the firm has secured additional funding earlier this year, helping them to set up offices in London, and in autumn new products will be launched. Pushing him just a little bit further, I urged Andrew, what are your long-term goals?
I think our role as providers of sentiment was always focused on getting the best data out, and now it's turning towards offering the best visualization. And I think many data providers in all sorts of industries are focusing much more now on how to simplify the display of data when you have so much data. And you will see in September, October time, the launch of new products, how we've done that.
So Andrew, great to speak with you, and we wish you the best of luck with the launch and in the future. Well, that's all from me for the moment. Thanks for watching, and for more Dukascopy exclusives, please do keep clicking back to our site and YouTube channel. Goodbye for now.